Hello everyone. You want to set attractive Google Classroom banner something like this? If yes, you can prepare this by using Google Slides. Interesting? I will show you how to prepare it now. Then what are you waiting for? Let's get into the topic now. I have opened a blank presentation here. The first thing is we need to resize the slide to match with Google Classroom banner size. For that, go to File and click on Page Setup. Then you will find Page Setup with widescreen 16:9. We have to change it. Then expand it and go to Custom. By default inches is there. Then select pixels. Then there we need to give 1000 by 250. 1000 by 250 is the size of the Google Classroom banner. You can find it by using the Google search. Then click on Apply. Then your entire slide is resized into the given size, that is 1000 by 250. Then I am removing these two text boxes. First I need to set the background for it. Then I am clicking on background. Then I am going to choose the image. Click on Google image search. Then type wall and floor. Then you will get plenty of options. Then I am selecting this. I am double clicking on that and then click on this done. Then you will get your background something like this. Then we need to insert whiteboard. For that, go to insert image, click on search the web. Then we have to search for transparent green board. Don't forget to type transparent there. We need images without any background. Then I got different green boards. Then I am going to select the first one. Then I am resizing it. Then I have fixed my board at the center like this. Then I am going to insert a podium. Then I am searching for transparent podium. Then I got different options. So I need a straight podium. Let me search for it. So direct podium I am not getting. I got this one. Let me insert it. Actually I don't want this man here. Then I am going to crop this image. I am clicking on the crop. I am cropping it up to the podium only. Again I am clicking on the crop. Then I got only podium. Then I am placing here. Okay, I have placed my podium. Then I am going for a chair. Insert image, search the web, and then transparent chair I need to select. Then I got different chairs here. So let me select this one. So that is inserted here. Resize it. Now I am going to insert my Bitmoji here. I already have a Chrome extension, Bitmoji. Have created my avatar here. I need sitting avatar. Then I am typing here sitting. I got this one. Then I am right clicking on this and then copy image. Come back to your slide, paste here. Then I got my Bitmoji here. Let me resize it and position it onto the chair. Then I am going to insert the laptop. Transparent laptop I need to type. Let me choose a particular one. I am going to choose this one. Resize it and place here. And then I want to insert a bookshelf. Then I am selecting this bookshelf, double clicking on that. That is inserted. I am resizing it. Then I am placing here. Then I am placing a text box on the board. Then I am typing DSP Classroom 16th batch and select the text and then align to the center, horizontal center alignment, vertical center alignment, and change the black color to white color. Text color I am selecting it to the white. Then I am changing the size of this text. Okay, I have selected 18 and then I am going to change the font. So let me select lobster font and then I am going to insert another image on the board. Then I am typing transparent digital signal processing here. Then I got a block diagram for the digital signal processing. Double click on it. It is inserted. Then resize it. Place it on the board. See, here in this spot I want to insert the college logo. For that, now I am selecting my own channel's logo. You can use your own college logo. Then I am going for inserting image from the computer. So where is my logo? Here it is, my logo of the channel. Then I am resizing it. I am placing here. That is a simple banner that I have prepared for my classroom. Then I have to download it as a PNG image. For that, go to File. You will find an option Download. In that you can find an option PNG image, current slide. Click on there. Then this is automatically downloaded as untitled presentation.png. Then go to there, show in folder. This is the image, select on that. Then I got my prepared banner. Okay, and the next thing is we have to set this as a banner for the Google Classroom. For that, I am opening my Google Classroom. So I am going to set this banner for the DSP class. So where you can find the option upload photo, click on there. Then it is having an option select photo from your computer, click on there. Then select this one. Then this is uploaded. Then we need to crop this particular image set to your banner. For that, use this particular crop option. Expand this until this entire banner is set to this cropping size. Everything is fine. Then click on this select class theme. Then there it is. Your classroom got your prepared banner. In this way you can show your talents to prepare attractive banners for your classroom. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will meet you in the next video. Until that, keep rocking. Bye bye.